Best Mini USB Vacuum Cleaner Review. In this video, we'll share with you one of the most popular handheld vacuum cleaners in the market that have been used by thousands of people who have given their stamp of approval. We'll share with you some of the features of what makes this handheld vacuum cleaner so popular. Also in this video, you get to see a quick demo of how easy it is to use this USB vacuum cleaner. The one that made our list is the eHoil 2-in-1 Vacuum. This is a powerful cordless vacuum cleaner and an air duster as well. One side of the cleaner is to absorb dust, while the other side is a blower that blows dust away. It has a high capacity lithium-ion battery that can run this vacuum non-stop for up to 15 minutes. It's lightweight, portable, and easy to maneuver, so you can clean up dirt, dust, crumbs, pet hair, and more. The USB quick charge design lets you get it up and running fast, while the built-in circuitry protection keeps your device safe from overcharging or power surges. The filter inside this vacuum is removable and washable, so you can use it again and again. To check out the full specs of this 2-in-1 vacuum and check out its current price, you can go to bit.ly/vacusb. Here's a quick video demo of how easy it is to use this vacuum. So there you have it, the eHoil 2-in-1 Vacuum. Considering its ease of use, the quality of this device, and its overall functionality, we feel that this vacuum is the most value for money. Again, to check out the full specs of this 2-in-1 vacuum and check out its current price, you can go to bit.ly/vacusb. Alright, thank you for watching.